Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. The first one what we should do is to restart audio player. Maybe it's problem with it. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should check if you have the last software version. So open the SOUNDCORE application. Now go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have update firmware. Tap on it and check for update. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also, what can help you? I recommend it to restart your device. So I use my iPhone right now and I should install this iPhone. Or if you use a tablet, restart your tablet. And it can also help you. And the last one, what we can do is to perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and then at the back side we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed rapidly 3 times. Firstly it enters to pairing mode, it's okay, and next we will have it. Okay, here we go, now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget device and forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device if you have Android. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so now just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!